Hi guys, it's Mrs. Davis. So we are looking at one of my favorite Google apps. It's called Google Drawings. And today we're going to look at just the basics. So what is it and how do I get there? One of the easiest ways is to start in Google Drive. So here I am in Drive. I'm going to go up here to where it says New. And then down, it doesn't come up right away, so I'm going to go to More. And here it is, Google Drawings. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so just a couple of things to look at. First thing, notice that it is an untitled drawing. So I often like to give it a title first, otherwise I kind of tend to forget to. So we're just going to call this one Cub, because this is our Cub video. Then I want you to notice this canvas right here. This is your drawing area. Google Drawings is not really like a, I'm going to sit here and draw a picture kind of program. It's a lot more like a publishing program where you can create really great graphic designs. The cool part, it can be used with Google Slides, Docs, Sheets, and I'll show you that in another video. But you could insert drawings that way. So let's go ahead and look at this. So I showed you where to find it, told you what it is, and now show you some of the basics. So if you look at this, across the top you have some very familiar things in your toolbar, but down here we have some different stuff. So here we have a line tool. So our line tool, we have lots of different kinds. We have just our basic line. You guys have seen that before. A line with an arrow. A connector line. So you can connect two lines and it puts an elbow in it. And it gives you an arrow on there. That's great for graphic organizers. A curved connector. So if I want to start here and go over here, it's going to put a curve into that. Again, great for graphic organizers. A curved line. So here, everywhere I click, it puts a curve. You can close those shapes to create solid shapes. A polyline, I use this one a lot. Same idea as the curved one, only it creates an angle and you can close it to create different polygons. And finally, the scribble tool. And the scribble tool is really just like it sounds. It's sort of I can free draw, and I'm just using my mouse here and you can see it's not beautiful. However, everything I draw or create is treated like an object, so I can move them around. I can change their color. I can change their thickness. So all sorts of different things. I can resize them. So everything in drawings acts like an object. So there are all of our lines. So I'm going to stop here for a moment and I'm going to ask you, go ahead and open a Google drawing, play with the line tool. Next, we'll look at our shapes, text boxes, and inserting an image. All right, go have some fun.